If you've been searching for the latest AI software to boost your business or streamline your workflows, you've probably heard of OneOver.com AI, a new tool making waves in the digital world. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about OneOver so you can decide whether it's the right fit for your needs. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how you can try it for free and why this could be one of the best AI tools out there right now. First up, OneOver.com AI is all about efficiency. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to automate tasks and workflows, helping businesses save time and reduce errors. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing strategy, improve customer support, or streamline your operations, OneOver has a feature designed for it. It simplifies complex processes into a few clicks, which is huge for anyone looking to cut down on hours of manual work. The second thing you need to know is its intuitive interface. One of the biggest hurdles with new AI software is the learning curve. Luckily, OneOver is designed with usability in mind. The dashboard is sleek and easy to navigate, and it doesn't require a tech degree to get started. Even if you're not an AI expert, you'll find it relatively simple to set up and integrate into your existing systems. Next, let's talk about customization. OneOver doesn't just offer generic templates or cookie-cutter solutions. You can tailor its features to fit your exact business needs. Whether you're managing multiple campaigns, automating customer responses, or gathering data insights, you can adjust settings and features so it works exactly how you need it. This level of customization means you're getting an AI that's built for your business, not the other way around. Another important feature is its scalability. As your business grows, so can OneOver. It can scale with your company's needs, which is great if you're a startup looking for flexibility or an established enterprise aiming to expand. Whether you're managing dozens of tasks or hundreds, OneOver's cloud-based infrastructure ensures that your system can handle the load without lagging. But what really sets OneOver apart is its real-time analytics. Instead of waiting for reports to generate or spending hours crunching numbers, OneOver provides insights as you go. You'll get immediate feedback on your data, helping you make quicker, more informed decisions. This real-time approach is perfect for anyone who needs to pivot or adjust their strategy on the fly. A feature that I really love is the seamless integration with other tools. OneOver can easily connect with your CRM, email marketing software, social media platforms, and more. This means you don't have to juggle multiple tools or worry about compatibility issues. It's all in one place, making your work smoother and more efficient. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the price? Well, here's the kicker. OneOver is offering a completely free trial for new users. You can test all of its features before making a commitment. This is perfect if you want to see if it fits your business without worrying about upfront costs. Check out the link below to try it for yourself. I've tried thousands of AI software solutions, and after using OneOver, it's clear this is one of the most promising new tools out there. If you're tired of outdated processes and looking for something fresh and innovative, give OneOver a shot. Plus, if you're interested in other AI solutions, I've got my top recommendations in the description below, ones that I've personally used and trust. To wrap it up, OneOver.com AI is not just another AI tool, it's a game changer. From its intuitive design to its customizable features and real-time analytics, it's the kind of software that can give your business the edge it needs. And remember, you can try it for free by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other top AI recommendations in the description.